Why your coaching in the company is not working. Here is a mistake companies make when they implement coaching. They assume the quality of coaching depends on the individual coach. It doesn't. It depends on the system around the coach. Let me show you what typically happens. In many coaching setups, employees don't actually choose their coach. They are paired based on availability or assigned by the provider. Whoever is free gets the session. Now, sometimes that works, but most of the time it doesn't, because coaching is not just about skill, it's about fit, context, and relevance. And when that is missing, even a good coach underperforms. Now layer in the second issue. The coach often goes into the session with little to no context. They don't fully understand what the organization needs, what success looks like, or where this person is actually struggling inside the system. So every session starts from scratch. And when every session starts from scratch, you never build momentum. Then there is a third gap, and this is the most critical one. There is no real assessment, no structured check-in points, no data, no reporting. So what happens? Coaching becomes a series of conversations with no measurement, no tracking of decision quality, no visibility into behavioral shifts, no clear link to performance, which means no accountability. And without accountability, even if the same coach and coachee meet regularly, the work drifts. There is no pressure on the system to produce an outcome, no feedback loop, no feedback that actually informs whether anything is improving. So the company ends up asking the wrong question. Is this coach good? Instead of asking, is this system designed to produce results? Because a strong coaching system does three things differently. First, there is an upfront assessment. You diagnose before you coach. You identify what is actually breaking down before assigning a coach. Second, there is intentional matching, with the opportunity for the individual to have a say in the process. Not just who is available, but who is relevant. Third, there is structure around engagement, defined check-in points, clear success metrics, ongoing feedback loops, and visibility into progress. Because coaching at an organizational level is not a conversation, it's an intervention. And interventions require measurements, iteration, and accountability. So if your coaching isn't producing results, don't start by replacing the coach. Start by looking at the system you've put them in, because the system determines whether coaching stays as a conversation or becomes something that actually changes how your people think and perform. And see you later, alligators. Bye.